This video, oh, okay. Video's for Crystal, like usual. Ah! Anyways, I'm a tree, or I'm an awesome troll. My hair was better the first time, but when it was all like, hold on. Okay, well that's a fail. Anyways, yes, I am awesome to the max with my awesomest hair ever. Oh, let's try the bunny ears. Butterfly ears. Oh, my hair's ripping. Stay or should you go? Anyways, Crystal, I miss you, and my hair's flattening now. So I'll have to do a new hairstyle, even though I can't even, like, do anything with my hair because it's so knotted up. Oh, yeah. Oh, so good. I'll show you the hairspray I used. I used this hairspray. And this hairspray. Let's go put some more in. Okay, that's better. That's what I'm talking about. Now to make it curly. Oh, yeah. Anyways. I think I'm awesome to the max. I'm kidding. Don't be hating. Anyways, this was what I did because I was trying out a hairstyle in the beginning and I couldn't figure out how to properly do it. So I'm like, hey, let's just make my hair look like a nest instead. And it's that cute hairstyle where like the bump comes back and then your hair's like really tight here. Yeah. So, that is my video for you today. And now I'm done. Peace out, home slices. Wait, one before we go. One more thing. If you weren't able to catch on what this is, it's a bird living in my nest. Oh. Peace!